Oakville, Colorado. Ugly ass Mike. Mike, flip off the camera. Is he? Just got done busting my ass on them stairs. Got ready to take off for the day. More action outside. Yeah, these are talkies.
Color, talk.
Yeah, we got Don, our host this weekend. We got Isadora, Mike Kaganich, Dave King, of course.
Better to videotape than us.
Yeah, I'm just getting you for the moment, just to get a little scenery going here. Okay, you guys get the hell out of the way.
Little skiing action.
Yeah.